Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Varsha and in this series I am sharing my experience regarding CA final classes. So I have already shared my experience regarding FR and SFM. In this video I am sharing my experience regarding the audit classes. So first of all, I did not take any classes for audit because many students and my friends were telling that it is of no use because ultimately we will have to learn by ourselves. So in November 19, I only referred Pankaj sir's scanner and gave the attempt and attended some of the revision lectures and I was able to score 56. So I did not feel the need to take the classes. Then in May 20 the attempt did not happen due to corona, and then in November 20 I opted out because of some reason, and then in Jan 21 I gave the attempt, and at that time I attended free Brahmastra batch by Unacademy in which CA Khushbu Sangvi ma'am was taking the audit subject. I really liked her way of teaching. Her book, that is the Audit Sar, is very nice. It is a handwritten summary book and she is also launching the question answer book. So if you are planning to take classes from Khushbu ma'am, then you can definitely go for her. I really liked her way of teaching. She will make you analyze all the concepts very nicely and you will be able to retain also, because she also gives certain memory techniques for you to learn so that it does not become difficult to retain all the points, because ultimately we have to write the important points in the exam. Other than that, I have also watched Sanidhya Saraf sir's revision lectures and those are also awesome. I really like sir's way of teaching also. His books are also really nice. So you can go for him also. Another teacher from whom I attended the revision lectures is CA Sarthak Jain sir. His drone chart book is really good for revising and his revision lectures were also awesome. So you can go for his classes also because his teaching style is also very nice. And apart from that, if you have taken classes, that is the audit classes from Pankaj sir or any other teacher, then you can comment below so that other students can also benefit from it. And if you have any other query, then you can ask me in the comment section. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.